Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Before we get into it, the Pilot Arc 50 amp plasma cutter is linked in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Today we're reviewing the Pilot Arc plasma cutter, a 50 amp machine that's designed to be approachable for beginners while still delivering real cutting performance. Plasma cutters can be intimidating if you've never used one, so we wanted to see how this one handles both ease of use and actual cutting capability. First thing worth mentioning is the dual voltage support, working with both 110V and 220V power. That flexibility means you're not locked into a specific setup, which is great whether you're working in a home garage on standard household power or have access to higher voltage in a dedicated shop. The large LED display made adjusting settings simple during testing, even for someone less experienced with plasma cutting. Paired with the built-in air sensor, the machine actively monitors airflow, which helps prevent damage and ensures more consistent cut quality throughout use. Now let's talk cutting performance. The Pilot Arc is rated for a 1/2 inch clean cut, with a maximum cutting capacity of 3/4 inch. During testing, the clean cut range lived up to expectations, producing smooth, precise edges on standard steel. Pushing toward the max cut thickness, the cut was still usable, though as expected with most plasma cutters, quality naturally decreases as you approach that upper limit. The post-flow mesh function is a nice inclusion too, helping cool down the torch after use, which contributes to better longevity over repeated cutting sessions. We also tested the 2T and 4T trigger modes, giving flexibility depending on whether you want continuous cutting or a simple trigger hold operation. One of the more practical features is the Pilot Arc ignition itself, which allowed us to cut through some painted and slightly rusty metal samples without needing pristine, clean material beforehand, something that regular contact start plasma cutters often struggle with. For anyone getting into metal fabrication, auto repair, or general DIY metalwork, the combination of beginner-friendly features and genuine cutting performance makes the Pilot Arc a strong consideration. So is the Pilot Arc 50 amp plasma cutter worth it? Based on our testing, the dual voltage flexibility, safety features, and real-world cutting performance make this a solid pick for both beginners and more experienced DIYers. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more DIY tool reviews, and check the link in the description for the Pilot Arc 50 amp plasma cutter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.